Can you tell us your name and your role with the organization?
I'm Bill Jones. I'm the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer for Volunteers of America of Pennsylvania.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're looking for in this story? You're looking for more donations, is that correct?
Our thrift store has been, is 3 years old, has been serving the community for now 3 years, and we feel embraced by the community. It is doing well for us. It has come along in the right economic environment. There's 60,000 items at the thrift store, and 80% of them are, $1.99 or less. So people are finding great bargains, and sales are growing for us every single year. And because of the weather this year, we went from very cold to rainy to very hot, and we're looking for more clothes, seasonal clothes, and looking for donations for summer and more clothing beyond.
How can people donate clothes if they have something to give?
If people wanted to donate, we would be grateful. They could either call us at 829-5100, or they could bring a couple of bags of clothing to the store. We all have clothes in our closets that we know we should get rid of, we may not fit into anymore, and should look to donate. There are people who need it, use it, would enjoy getting the bargains because of it, and so it's a way to donate without cash. It's actually getting rid of things that you no longer need, and if people came and either brought it to the store or call us and we will come and get it, we'd be thrilled.
Where is the store located?
The store is located at 400 South Main Street in the Penn Plaza, right next to the Wilkes-Barre Post Office.
Right. Now, and are there specific operating hours that we're aware
of? The store is open from 9 to 8, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 on Saturday, and 10 to 6 on Sundays. And so we'd like to take donations, Monday through Saturday. Donations on Sunday are difficult.
Okay, very good. Is there anything else you'd like people to know about Volunteers of America or about your thrift store operation?
The proceeds of the thrift store stays right here in our community within the Wyoming Valley, and it helps us fund some of the programs, some of the things that government dollars do not fund. Diapers and formula diapers for our pantry, additional things for our housing for homeless young adults, for rides for elderly and those with disabilities on our Dolly Driver program. So those dollars, those proceeds, the proceeds of the thrift store stay here, and we'd like to say that your ability to help others hangs in your closet. So if people make those donations and come and get bargains, buy things, it's helping people in need.